Hello, my name is Andrew Shepard. This is my socket project. So I'm going to talk through this here. Make sure I have everything active. So, what we need to do is I need to start the manager here, and we're going to start according to the PDF here. Six disks and two users. So. I already have the commands in here using all the ports, manager ports, and manager IP will be all the same. This is my first user. This is going to be my second user, Mary. And then I'm going to get all of the disks running here. So there's three. And I also have three over here. Okay, so now all my disks are running, all my users are running. I'm going to register them. You can see all of this will show up in the manager over there. So there's my two users. There's two disks, third disk. All I'm typing here is just registered disk. Okay, so and all of those did show back up over here. So after that, register. So then we're going to select one user and have it issue the following commands. Configure a DSS of size 3. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. Configure DSS. I'm just going to call it DSS of size 3. And then I always like to do 1024. So everything's good. Looks like it created all those disks. And okay. And what we'll do here is we're going to copy, what is this file? Day of affirmation dot text. I'm just going to sign it as size 1. And then this is user ship. So lists all the disks that will be used. And then we're going to use copy complete. Okay, and then after that, we'll do in Flanders dot text. And then this one is also shim. So copy complete. And then the next one is tale of two cities dot text. And then, okay, so then after that, we'll list the files here so you can see they all show up. So that's good. And then I'm going to read, let me see. So my DSS is called DSS. We'll read in Flanders.txt, and the username that owns it is Shep. So then it'll say, oh, these are all the disks it's reading, and then we'll say read complete. So then it looks like it was able to read everything okay. So that's great. Um, my and yeah, so after that, we need a on the second user, which is Mary. We'll configure a DSS of I'll do TT as the name of it, and it'll also be 3, and then I'll do 1024 as well. Okay, so it made that DSS. And now what we'll do is we'll do Wizard of Wizard of Oz dot text one, and this will be owned by Mary. So, and all of this is still popping up in the manager over there. So copy complete. So over here, it only has the Wizard of Oz, and over here, it has all of those three files. And so, and then if I try to read DSS, right, that is what I would do. Yeah, so if I'm trying to read the in Flanders.txt that's owned by Shep, it says that I don't own that DSS because this other user does, so we can't access it. Okay, so I'm gonna have Shep do a disk failure here. Disk failure DSS. So after that, it uses the disk failure. So, and then we had to have a recovery process as well. So it has three files to recover. So it fails all of these disks. And then after that, it recovers them. So, um, so that's good. Oh, that's my wife, sorry. Um, so after that, if the recovery was successful, I should be able to LS and still have the same general files there, which I do. So that's great. Um, and after that, then I'm going to try to read on this file, which is the owner. I'm going to read in Flanders.txt again. And that's right, I have to list the DSS in Flanders.txt, and that's owned by Shep. And then it lets me read it. So it's been reconstructed okay. And after that, we have to decommission each DSS. So this disk over here was also used in that. So it was simulating all the failure, and all of my other disks did register that as well. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna decommission DSS, and then we're gonna do DSS. So all of the ones that were part of that one will be decommissioned, and then I'll decommission DSS TT. So then all of the ones that were part of that one will also be decommissioned. And then what we need to do is deregister all the users. So then that's still going to be decommissioned. And then if we try to like ls, it has no DSS is configured. So deregister user. So that'll deregister that. Deregister disk. So deregister disk. Okay, so I think I was just typing this wrong. Uh, deregister disk, so then it is deregistering them. Um, so deregister disk, so that all works out as successful. Deregister disk and deregister disk. So all of them have successfully been deregistered. All right, that's all I got.